Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a next-generation gaming laptop that defies expectations and packs desktop-class performance into an ultra-portable 2-in-1 form factor, the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 is truly in a league of its own. At first glance, it's hard to believe this sleek and compact 13-inch device is capable of serious high-end gaming, productivity, and content creation all in one. But once you dive into its specs and real-world performance, you'll understand why it's one of the most impressive machines on the market today. At its core, the Flow Z13 is powered by the all-new AMD Ryzen AI MAX plus 395 processor, a beastly chip that features 16 cores and next-level AI capabilities with up to 50 TOPS of NPU power. This chip is specifically engineered for Copilot Plus PCs and handles everything from multitasking to real-time AI workloads with ease. Combined with the RDNA 3.5 integrated graphics, it manages to punch above its weight class, especially for a device this slim and light. What's more, this isn't just any laptop. It's a versatile 2-in-1 with a flexible 170-degree kickstand that adapts to your needs, whether you're gaming, sketching, writing, or streaming. The 13-inch ROG Nebula display is absolutely stunning. It features a 16:10 aspect ratio, 2.5K WQXGA resolution, and an ultra-fast 180 Hz refresh rate with a 3 milliseconds response time. Every frame is buttery smooth, and the colors are incredibly accurate thanks to its Pantone validation and 100% DCI P3 color coverage. Whether you're deep into a competitive shooter or editing high-resolution video, the display delivers a vibrant and precise visual experience that rivals even professional monitors. One of the most mind-blowing aspects of this device is the memory. It comes with a jaw-dropping 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,000 MHz. That's not a typo. It's 128 gigs of quad-channel low-latency memory, which ensures seamless performance even when you're running heavy creative applications, streaming, and gaming simultaneously. Paired with a 1TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, boot times are near instant and file transfers are blazing fast. The cooling system deserves its own spotlight. ASUS has equipped the Flow Z13 with a lightweight stainless steel vapor chamber and liquid metal thermal compound, keeping the system whisper quiet and cool even under heavy load. Despite the powerful internals, battery life is excellent. You can get up to 10 hours of use on a single charge, which is practically unheard of in a high-performance gaming laptop. And because this is a Copilot Plus PC, you also get access to new AI-enhanced features like ROG Intelligent Assistance, which boosts productivity, manages resources intelligently, and improves efficiency in ways that truly feel futuristic. The port selection is also solid, featuring dual USB 4.0 Type-C ports, HDMI 2.1, a micro SIM card slot for added connectivity, and even a dedicated ROG key for quick access to system controls and gaming modes. On top of all this, ASUS includes a 3-month PC Game Pass subscription, giving you access to over 100 high-quality games to dive into right out of the box. Whether you're a gamer, creator, student, or professional who demands top-tier performance in the most portable form possible, the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 offers a truly unique and premium experience. It's more than just a gaming laptop. It's a full-blown desktop replacement, an AI workstation, a creative tool, and a futuristic mobile device all rolled into one. And if you're someone who wants the absolute best in cutting-edge tech with no compromises on portability, then this is the machine that sets the bar.